National Electrical Code Article 334 addresses non-metallic sheet cable, NM. NM cable is not permitted in hazardous locations, specifically Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3 locations. It's also not permitted in ducts, plenums, or other air handling spaces. NM cable cannot be installed in areas subject to severe physical damage. Exposure to direct sunlight or weather prohibits its use. Finally, NM cable is not permitted in commercial or industrial buildings greater than 3 stories above grade. Article 340 focuses on non-metallic underground feeder and branch circuit cable, NMB. NMB cable shares the restriction of not being permitted in hazardous locations, including Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3 locations. Similar to NM cable, NMB is not allowed in ducts, plenums, or other air handling spaces. NMB is not permitted for direct burial in soil without additional protection. It also cannot be used underground in commercial or industrial buildings. International Fire Code Section 503.3, 2.31 and 503.3, 2.32 specifically states that NM cable is not permitted in concealed spaces behind walls or ceilings in commercial or industrial buildings, and NMB cable is also not permitted in concealed spaces behind walls or ceilings in commercial or industrial buildings. Local building codes often adopt the NEC and IFC requirements, but may introduce additional restrictions. Always check with the local building department for specific code requirements applicable to your area. Other considerations include insurance companies and building owners. Some insurance companies may impose further restrictions on the use of NM or NMB cable in commercial or industrial settings. Building owners may establish their own specific codes or requirements for NM or NMB cable usage. Electrical inspectors may have their own interpretations of the code requirements, potentially leading to additional precautions or limitations on NM or NMB cable installations. Therefore, it is important to consult with local inspectors.